Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel, and this time we are reviewing our best watch, our favorite drama of 2025, must recommend drama. Like, I can't stop saying about it. The
Good
name
things about
is The Trauma Code, Heroes on Call. And it's a must watch drama. If you guys have a doctor friend, please ask them to sit beside you and watch it along. And
Actually, I watched it twice.
yeah, and it's like so good. First of all, because I am a little scared whenever I see blood, so I was hesitant. But
But I made sure that she watches it.
but
The first time I watched it alone, and the second time I was telling her, open your eyes and see.
but it was like I just opened my eyes for the first 5 minutes, and then I was into it, and I was like, yes, put on
So-
the next episode.
Yeah, so today we are reacting to binge watch angry moments from the series.
It has very good angry moments, very good funny moments. It's a mix of all, and it'll show the politics as well.
Yes.
And the hard work doctors put behind everything. So use respect for doctors
yes.
everywhere around the world.
So let's dive in now.
Yes. The swag they carry, the aura they carry.
Oh, the very first scene.
연락을 미리 하라 말아야. 대답 안 해?
This is what I
So
do.
because of this drama, I know Shibal.
You were like every time. I also do that.
So you don't say Shibal. Oh, this was extremely funny.
말 다 했어.
Oh God, they shouted a lot.
지금
The running.
Like this guy suffered a lot. It was too much struggle for a resident, we can see.
And I have something to ask you guys in general. Like, I have seen in this drama and most of the dramas that doctors wear a lot of Crocs, and I still don't get it. Like, I have my friends, they are like full time on Crocs. So, like, is there any reason behind that? Do let us know in the
Is that
comments.
too comfortable?
Yeah. Doctors and Crocs, like, I can picture them together.
Oh, poor guy.
내가 책임집니다. 내가. 아이 봤는데 뭘 또?
내가!
뭐야?
뭐야?
It was boy. Baby. No.
He's cursing in his own language.
막아! 닥쳐! 닥치라고!
This was the his first moment he was getting ready for that, and
Yeah, that we need social media attention, we need this and
for the
that.
positive PR and all
Yes,
that, and
the
it turned
PR
out
we
to
got
be
was disastrous.
yeah.
Oh, this guy was really
뭐 하는
bad.
거야? 야! 야! 이거 개소리!
Calm down. Oh, this scene. I was impressed, you know. That guy really needed that beating.
Yeah.
Oh, the nurse, amazing. What did he call her?
Gangster.
Oh yeah, gangster. Yes. And this was anus.
He had another name. He was being called like
In Korean, you know.
the first.
My number one.
My
or-
number one. Yeah, number one.
Yeah.
막지는 못했어.
Oh, this
We can't play that.
No, we can't miss it.
Amazing.
Amazing.
And he's like,
나는 백가영이다. 닥쳐 이 깡패 새끼들아. 닥쳐. 닥치라고.
he got into that total energy. He'll still be like, I'm Baek Kyung Yuk. Where were you?
욕하는 거 보니까 살아있긴 살아있네 그냥.
Amazing.
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 Like I cannot reiterate the fact that this was one of the best K watches of all time.
and the main thing
And
for-
I really want a season 2 for this one. I really want, because 8 episodes were
like
too short for us.
Yes.
And he got award as well this time. I think best actor he only got.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we forgot. How can we forget? He got that award.
And I like the thing about drama that they focused on that team building effort. He came there, he built a team with the nurse, with the
Yes.
doctor. So
And the best ones.
yeah.
Even the
So the teamwork comes handy everywhere. So you should definitely have a team everywhere.
even
you
the
go.
anesthesia guy.
Yeah.
The long hair one.
Yeah, so and things pay off generally
Yes.
because they all were very good to him and they all were good in the work.
Yes.
He was patient with them, they were patient with him, and everything went well, and together they were like invincible, kind of inevitable.
I think the drama was amazing in general. It was packed with everything. It had everything, like fun. It had emotional scenes as well. It had anger and full on drama, politics. Everything was there.
And I feel Korean dramas in general, they focus on professions a lot.
And there was zero romance. And a lot of fun.
Yeah, Korean dramas focus on professions. For example, I've seen a lot of doctors and
Lawyers.
yeah.
Yes.
Politicians also, I think there are one and
Yeah, there are a few like here and there which are detective based as well.
two. Yeah, and they also believe in demons a lot. Demons and
Mythical creatures.
yeah.
Yeah.
And the old history, of course, some like the goblin. There is always a parallel old story running.
Yes.
The kings.
So I think that's it for today's video. But yeah.
Will come back strong with something new and something funny.
And guys, if you want us to react on something, please comment and let us know.
yes.
We will definitely do it.
Bye. See you in the next episode. Please hit like, share, and subscribe.